In this video, I will demonstrate how to download the Future Focus Plan assignment from Canvas, save it to your computer, complete section 1, and upload it back to Canvas. The first step is to locate the Future Focus assignment form in your course. Download the form to your computer. Choose Enable Editing, File, Save As. Locate where you would want to save the form. And then close the form that you opened in Canvas. Locate the form that you've saved to your computer. And you begin typing on this assignment. You can click on the gray boxes, enter your name, your instructor's name, the section and semester that you are completing the course, and complete the career goals section of section 1. Once you've completed this section, you will want to save it back to your computer. And then close it out. Once you have the form saved, completed and saved, come back to the modules in Canvas, locate Future Focus Plan Submission 1, and click New Attempt or Start Assignment. Upload file. Locate where you have the form saved and submit assignment.